Welcome to a new school year. I am so happy to see all of your smiling faces.
All right, everyone, let's get to know each other. Let's start right here. Hi, I'm Maria.
I'm Carlos.
And I'm Sam. Look, I think this page goes here.
Yes, and look, the teacher likes it. We did a good job.
Go ahead, you two. Show us the scene.
And the princess exclaimed,
My hero! Great job. Great job.
Wait, how does this part connect?
It goes here. See, you just tuck it under.
Oh, okay, we did it.
Let's see what happens when we mix these two elements together.
Look at that reaction! Wow, it's bubbling and changing colors.
Okay, I'll draw the outline here if you can cut the shapes.
Sounds good. I'll use the golden tool for the cutting.
That looks like a great plan, you two.
I think we should try the super secret handshake instead.
Yes! The principal will never see it coming.
Well, that certainly solves the scenario. Here is a puzzle for you. Discuss how to solve it.
Let's put the blue part here. We finished it! Hooray! I like the dragon because it's green. And I drew the dancing bear.
These are amazing. What inspired the colorful shapes?
And so the little rabbits.
That's right, Sharonice, it's right.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Blue. 4, 5, 6. Red. Your challenge, find different materials around the room.
Ready, go! I got one. Look! Yeah, we did it! I found a stone and a petal. I found a leaf. I think I have more than you. Wait, I found a twig. I found one. Look at the shape.
The green is so vibrant.
Very good. Now observe the texture carefully.
We gathered all our findings and compared them.
We counted the items together.
I want to praise your teamwork and curiosity. Look, it picked it up. I think the paperclip is magnetic. We should write that down. Wonderful thinking. Let's record your findings.
Why do you think the magnets connected like that?
Because the magnetic force pulled them together instantly.
We learned that magnets only stick to certain metals, like the fridge at home or the monkey bars at the playground.
Excellent
Fruits and veggies good for you and me. Eating healthy makes us happy, see. Red like an apple, green like a fruit's on the chart, like the pear and the plum.
Vegetables next, eating them is fun.
Wait, which one is this? That's excellent work, children. Your coordination and energy were fantastic, and you remembered everything perfectly. I loved building the robot. You all showed great curiosity and teamwork today. Excellent effort, everyone.
We had fun, teacher.
Have a great evening. See you for the trip tomorrow.
Awesome, I'm so excited.
Me too. Bye, teacher.
I still think the tower defense game was the best part.
No way, the song performance was way funnier.
You both did wonderfully today. The science experiment was amazing. Yeah, and we built the tallest tower in class. That's wonderful to hear. Keep up the great work, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you in the next video.